This is FirstCoast.tv. We find ourselves here at the Corazon Cinema and Cafe. Yes, the Triple C's, as I call it. And I'm here with Carla Wagner and
Brittany Alfonso.
Yes, and there's two events connected here. The Corazon has an event. Tell us about your event first.
Well, what we have is we've partnered up with St. Augustine Fashion Week, and we're going to kick off with a great film called Dior and I. And if you haven't seen this is just a fabulous fashion film. And it's about Ralph Simon. I could say Simon, it's probably not pronounced correctly, but and how he became the executive director in 2012 and actually took Christian Dior to where it is right now. And it's fabulous.
Wow.
His seamstress seemingly going at all ends to make these beautiful dresses and gowns. He had 8 weeks to get everything together, and it was just a big hit. But it goes behind the scenes. It's just a beautiful film.
It's going to be really exciting for our fashion designers too. They're mostly local. We have some coming from out of town. So to see this film in a beautiful establishment, it's going to be very exciting, not just for my designers, but everybody involved. People that are just anxious about the fashion culture in St. Augustine and bringing that to the big screen of course. So it's going to be very exciting.
Yeah. Well, here's my question. There's a gala connected to this.
That is. Now, the film actually will start on Friday just because of the distribution. I play it for a week. But Monday, we're doing a really big gala here.
Monday would be September
12th.
12th.
And it's going to start at 6 p.m. The doors will open. We're going to roll out the red carpet and have all sorts of great specials, you know, some hors d'oeuvres and things of that nature.
Awesome.
But you come in your best dress. So I had to really dig through the closet to find some great outfits. I actually ended up going to the store, but I'm real excited about it. So
I did rent the runway, so I got a dress I can't even afford, so I'm very excited.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, so-
Okay. And aren't you doing prizes too?
Yes, best dressed, best couple, and best dressed of the evening.
Voila.
Ooh.
And here's my question. How do the people who are watching this, how do they come to this event?
Well, you can either purchase a ticket from Eventbrite, which you'll look up the Dior and I, a red carpet event, and you also can just come to the door. It's going to be open to buy tickets as you arrive on September 12th.
And what is the average price of a ticket?
It's $10 at the entry.
Oh, wow.
$10.
Oh my God, it's nothing.
It's going to be nice. And it's a
That'd
great
be $10
kickoff.
to see a movie.
Everybody can afford to come, and
Yes.
everybody can afford to get dressed up and just, you
Wow.
know, get out of the summer attire and get into what you love best. So
Okay, so that's Monday. Then shortly after Monday starts then?
Well, Monday is the kickoff of St. Augustine Fashion Week. With our partnership at Corazon Cinema, we're able to extend not just the runway, but in different fashion culture, like the Dior and I film. So that's pretty exciting for this area. Something we haven't had access to
awesome.
yet. So it's really exciting. So Monday is our Dior and I red carpet event. Tuesday is the preview party for our VIP ticket holders, where I can't tell you guys where it is. You have to be a VIP ticket holder. So it's pretty exciting.
VIP, you heard it here first.
VIP access only. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're having our runway shows. We have 20 designers in total, new designers each evening, and it's a healthy balance of swimwear, women's wear, men's wear this time. I'm so
Yes,
excited
we men
about
feel
it.
neglected in these fashion
Oh,
shows.
last time, yeah, we only had one menswear last time, but this time we have 3, and we are so excited. I mean, men's suiting and men's shirting, and we even had men's undies come
Oh.
through.
really?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Let's see. Please, no dollar bills in the underwear, please. Women, control yourselves. Yes.
It'll be very classy, I promise.
Okay.
So that's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and you can find your tickets at stafashionweek.com or 904tix.com, which is here, 904, so we're
Okay.
representing for sure. And then Friday is our finale. It's a designer showroom at our neighbors, the Casa Monica. And the fashion show is going to be our neighbor, at the Leitner Museum, which is also very exciting.
Yes.
They're going to let us transform their space into a beautiful runway.
Oh, wow. I'll try to hit as many of those events. I love all the cultural stuff, the music and everything. And Carla put some wonderful events here too. So this will be fun. So let's recap then. So we have the film on Monday with the
Monday.
gala.
Absolutely. It's starting at 6 p.m. Come to the door, best dressed.
Okay, and then on Tuesday,
And Tuesday, preview party, VIP only.
Okay.
Tickets at stafashionweek.com.
all right.
And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are show evenings, and those designers are going to be on our website, stafashionweek.com. You can see the different designers showing that evening, links to their website, get a little behind the scenes on who you're going to see that evening. And then on Saturday is the designer showroom. Now the designer showroom is pretty exciting. These are, it's a free event. You can come to the Casa Monica. There's going to be parking, but they have discounted their rate if you want to valet park there.
Okay.
Or if you want to try to get lucky in St. Augustine
Oh
parking, you're
boy,
welcome to
what a
try.
roulette that is.
So it's free entry. We've got DJs, we've got music. There's going to be food. You can dine with Costa Brava right there. And our designers, everything that you were seeing on the runway, and even if you didn't make it to the event itself, you're going to see these items on display and for sale
Oh wow,
at the designer showroom.
awesome.
One other thing I forgot to
Okay,
mention
go
too
ahead.
is every evening, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, after the fashion show is done, they are going to be invited to come over to the Corazon for the after party.
Oh, wow.
So probably around 10ish, you think that they'll be
10
done?
will be directing all of our guests over for a drink.
Ooh,
Yeah,
this is
so-
gonna be so wonderful.
So much fun.
I mean, this is so Parisian. I like. Thank you both very much.
Thank
It's awesome information. Seems like a lot of fun, and I think people learn a lot, especially those starting in fashion. And yeah, I think it'll be awesome.
Yeah, it's something that we're not used to, and it's not available up until now. So now, I mean, even aspiring models, and
Yes.
maybe you thought, I never knew being a designer was even possible. I'm from St. Augustine, born and raised, and just seeing how many designers we actually do have in the area is pretty impressive, and it's nice to give them that opportunity to share their craft.
All right.
Great.
Thank you again, and good luck both of you on these events.